Hi friends, this is CC and welcome to Hobby Hands. In this vlog, we're going to do an unboxing of this kit, which is a 1/72 scale aircraft in action series, and it contains Europe aircraft weapons set. It's a kit made by Hasegawa with the kit number 35115, and it's a 1/72 scale. And as you can see, those are the weapons that are included in the set. We've got an SRAM. This is Iris-T, Meteor, MRAM, Alarm with a dedicated launcher. And that's the triple launcher dedicated to the Brimstone. This is a Scalp or the Storm Shadow. And this one is called a Taurus. Let's have a look at what's inside the box. This is the instruction manual, and it gives you a layout of how to load an aircraft. So different options. Let's have a look inside the manual. This side of the manual contains the build instructions. Not a lot of building. So that's the parts list there. And on this side of the instruction manual is the guide for painting and for the decals. Let's look at the parts. The molding looks amazing, clean, not much flash, and with recessed panel lines. There's 4 sprues, so there's 2 each of the Y and Z sprue in this one, and it contains different weapons here, and some of the parts like the fins. So Y and Z, 2 sets, and we've got 2 sets of the X sprue. And these 2 down here will actually build into the big missiles. And those ones, that little one there is a Brimstone. So pretty simple it looks like, but there's a lot of missiles. Now we have a look at the decal sheet. It's good printing and well aligned, and it's got markings for missiles, different missiles. We've got the blue markings for the inert missiles, and the yellow and brown will be for the live missiles. So each little box you see there contains the markings for a different type of missile. So different size markings, different templates. So hope you enjoyed that vlog. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Thank you so much for watching.